Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet
Cause I
next
don't
to
give
me.
a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say.
So yun boy, kakatapos lang namin magbuhat. Konti lang yung clip na nakuha ko kanina kasi medyo may tao eh. Baka mailang pag natututukan sila ng camera. Kaya mga 2 clip lang ata yung napanood nyo. Tapos ngayon, nagpagas kami. Medyo nakakagulat na yung presyo. Yung last gas ko last week, 69. Unleaded, gasoline, fuel save. Tapos ngayon, ano na, 85.80 per litro. So malamang yan, next week yan baka nasa 90 na yan. Or after 2 weeks baka pumalo ng 95, 97 or mag-100 na. Possible na mangyari. So yun, kita-kits sa bahay. Let's go. So yun boy, kamusta? As usual, hindi ko na naman natapos yung vlog last time. So ibang araw na to ngayon eh. 2 araw na ata yung nakalipas. Walang ganap. Tas sakto afternoon duty na ako kinabukasan. Tas duty rin ako kanina. Ang mangyayari pala ngayon, tatakbo kami dito sa may area namin sa may Ivo. Pagpag muna tayo pre. Dapat magbubuhat kami ngayon eh. Kaso wala, hindi pa balance eh. Kailangan may cardio. So takbo muna, tapos bukas na lang kami magbubuhat. So yun, let's go. So yun boy, switch muna sa cellphone. Medyo mahirap pag dalawa yung camera na bit. Kaya cellphone muna. Ito si Mrs. Dito na kami sa area ng tatakbuhan. So maya kakalas na ako kasi may sarili kaming pace. Yung Mrs. Magkaiba yung ensayo namin. So yun, siguro from time to time try ko bilangin yung mga napapanood nyo sa iba. Try kong gayahin dito. Minsan kasi tinatamad ako 1K, 2K. Minsan nakakatamad yung ganun eh. Pero try ko. Let's go. 2K na tayo boy. 2 kilometers na. Last 8. Siguro pagpalo ng mga 3 kilometers baka mag speed up tayo ng kaunti. Let's go. Lakas ng hangin. Minsan kalaban nyo yung hangin pag sobrang lakas. Kasi sa lubong. 6K na tayo boy. Last 4K. Bingo na. Medyo madilim na rin. Hindi na kasi tayo nakapag-start kanina. Mag-aalas 6 na ata. So yun, medyo nakakapagod. Kasi 4 na oras lang yung tulog ko eh. 2 sunod na araw 4 hours lang yung tulog ko. Kasi nga dahil sa duty may pasok. Pero okay lang yun. Show up pa rin. The end of the day may bunga yun eh. Kita-kits mamaya. Tignan ko kung video pa ako ng 8K kasi medyo madilim na eh. Let's go. Tapos na boy, tapos na. Pabalik na sa kotse. Naubusan kami ngayon. Puyat din siya eh. Bawi. Pero okay lang yun. Nangyayari talaga yun. Off night, kung tawagin sa basketball, off night. Baka magkape siguro muna kami, pero mag-switch na ako dun sa isang camera para mas malinaw-linaw. Let's go! Phone? So yung boy, hindi na kami nakatambay sa loob kasi waiting game yung yung potato corner. Pagkabili namin ng kape sa sa 7-Eleven, dapat tatambay muna kami saglit magpo-potato corner. Kaso wala, ang daming bumibili. Walang pambara. So ngayon nangyari, yan, kape-kape na lang sa sasakyan, tapos sibat na. Malaman kasi parang may titigilan ata kami. Parang may nakikita kaming tindahan ng siomai na pika-pika na along the way. Tingnan natin kung madadaanan namin. Let's see. Kung wala, kita-kita na lang sa bahay. Let's go.
What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta
Cause I
struggle
don't
through
give
the
a fuck
sewer.
what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
So yun boy, kamusta? Sobrang init, pakita mo. Nagbabaga. Hanip na yan. Hindi ko na natapos yung vlog kahapon. Kahapon nga ba yun? Oo, kahapon yung tumakbo kami kasi wala nang nangyari. So pangatlong araw to, gagawin ko ganun ulit. Tagpi na lang para makabuo tayo ng isang upload. Kakatapos lang namin magbuhat. Yan, nakita nyo yung sa clip. Baka ko kanina eh. Tapos si Mrs. Legs. So yun. Papunta kami ngayon sa itlogan. Bibili muna kami ng itlog kasi ubos na yung yung itlog sa bahay. Medyo malakas kami sa sa itlog kasi pambansang ulam ko yun eh. Mawala na lahat ng ulam, wag lang itlog boy, sabi ko sa'yo. Yun ang pinakamurang source of protein yung sa mga nagbubuhat dyan na vegetarian. Itlog pare, subok na yan. Taong ko nang ginagawa yun. So yun, let's go. Boy, yan yung itlog. Makabili na kami. Ngayon ang problema namin, ano yung ulamin namin ngayong tanghalian. Malaman, let's go.